Good afternoon, ma'am. Today's topic is this and keyword in a Java. So first, I explain the this keyword in a Java. So this keyword, there can be lots of uses in a Java of this keyword. In Java, this is a reference variable that refers to the current object. This is a reference variable, and it refers to current object. Means object means it has a state and behavior. So this is a reference variable refers to the state and object, state and behavior. Then some uses of a Java this keyword. So first is this keyword can be used to refer current class instance variable. This can be used to refer current class instance variable. Then second is that this can be used to invoke. This can be used to invoke current class method, that is implicity. Then third is that this can be used to invoke current class constructor. Then these can be passed as a argument in the method call. Then this can be passed as a argument in a constructor call. And another is this can be used to return the current class. This can be used to return the current class instance from the method. This is a uses of the this keyword, and also this keyword can be passed as an argument to the method call. And to refer current class in an instance variable. So this keyword is a use can be used to refer the current class into the variable. So an example of it is there is a ambiguity between the instance variable and parameter. So this is a refers to the instance variable. Then another example is this keyword, then super keyword. So super difference between the this and the super keyword is a first to super refers to the immediate parent class instance. Then this refers to the current class instance. Then this super act as a immediately parent class constructor, and this acts as a current class constructor and can be used in a parameter constructor. Then override when invoking a super class version of a overridden method, the super keyword is used. And when invoking the current version of the overridden method, the this keyword is used. That is the difference between the super and this keyword. Then super keyword. So super keyword is a it is a Java. It is also as a reference variable which is used to refer immediately parent class object. Whenever you create the instance of a subclass or instance of a parent class is a created implicity, which is a referred in a super reference variable. And then uses of the super keyword, first one is a super can be used to refer immediately parent class instance variable. Then second, super class can be invoked immediately parent class method. And also super can be used to invoke immediately parent class constructor. This is the main uses of the super class. And super is a used to refer immediately parent class instance variable, same as the this keyword. So we can use super keyword to access the data member or field of the current class. It is also used to parent class. And then one example of a super class. So we create a one class animal. In that we take the variable string color is equal to white. So in that one we create a one another class dog. So class dog is extend to class animal. Then string we can write there is a string color is a black. So we create a one method, void print color method. So in that system out dot println color, we write a print the color, and then we create a one main class, that is a class test super. In that we create a main method and call the object. Then output is a we change the color is a black, that is a super is used to reference the variable. Then super also, then second is a super can be used to invoke the parent class method. So the super keyword can be used to invoke the parent class method. It should be used if a subclass contain the same method as a parent class, like a method is overridden. So example is the same as the we create a one class animal, then we create a one method void eat. In that we print the eating statement. Then another we create another class dog. So class dog extend to class animal. So in that we create a we call the method. Sorry, not call the we write a statement for this method in a CISO, like eating. Then we write another method in the breaking. So we create a two methods, void work and super it. We use the super keyword in that. So we create a one another class tester, class test super. In that we that main method, and we call the object. Then output is the eating and working. So in this example, animal and dog both class have a eat and eat method. If we call eat method from dog class, it will be eat method of the dog class by default, because priority is given to the calling the method. Then super class is used to invoke parent class constructor. So the super keyword can be used to invoke the parent class constructor, that is like a C1 example. So same as we create a one class animal, then we create another class dog. So class dog extend to class animal, and in that first class animal method we write in that animal is a created, and dog method it is a in that we use super keyword, and then write the system out dot println dog is a created, same as the first class. Then we create a main method. So in that we call the object. So output is a animal is a created and dog is a created. Then dog animal is a created and dog is a created. So this is a another example, and also some differences between this and super keyword. So both are the reference variable used in a refer to the object. This and also super. Then super keyword and super keyword is used in with the super keyword, and also this is used in this keyword. Then another example of a super keyword. So we create a class. Then we create a class animal. Then then we create a class animal and class dog. So class animal is class dog is extended to animal. So in that we call the method in a same as a class animal and class dog. So output is a priority to call. Then this is a refer to the class of the instance variable. Also super is a refer to the class in the instance variable. This is a passed an argument in the method, like a super is a passed in argument in a method. Then this is a invoke current class constructor and also method, same as the super is a invoke the current class and current class and current constructor and method. And super keyword is a used to donate the instant parent class object to the current child class. And it is also used to invoke the superclass methods, superclass constructor, and superclass is also known as a immediately parent class, and it is an object to create a current child class. Thank you.